You're super busy. There is not enough time in the day to get it all done. You have big plans for your life, but all the little things seem to get in the way. You want to get it together. You need a plan to get organized so you can focus on what matters most. Let's make it happen. Hello, I'm Katie. I help busy people get organized and stay focused by using a daily planner. In this video, we're talking about time management, how to prioritize. For weekly videos about planners and accessories, productivity, organization, and success, subscribe to the Planner channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every weekend. To help you define and clarify your priorities, I've created a 2-page guide called the Power Plan Checklist. Click the link in the description to get your free Power Plan Checklist. In the Power Plan Checklist, we're going to take your priorities and put them into 4 categories, break them apart into smaller sections of time that it takes you to accomplish the task in each of these priorities. And we're also going to set one goal for you to work on. The 4 categories are yourself, your family and home, your financial, and other projects like education or a hobby. Page 1 of the Power Plan Checklist includes your steps and how to use the worksheet, as well as some really great planning tips. Page 2 of the Power Plan Checklist is a worksheet that you can use to set your goal and define your priorities under each of the 4 categories. You can also make copies of this page and then take each of the priorities and list out all the tasks and time blocks that it will take you to accomplish those tasks. And then the most important part is to take your goal and move it from number 5 on your list up to number 1. And that's where a morning routine would come into your schedule. To make sure that you do some work on your goal and make your goal a priority every day, it needs to be the first thing that you do each day. Go ahead and list out each of your priorities under each of the 4 categories along with your one goal. And don't worry about being very specific. I want them to stay general, like chores or family time, so that you have bigger blocks of time to work with and that you can be more intentional about what you want to do with those time blocks. So just go ahead and work through that, brainstorm a little bit about what is most important to you. Once you have some things listed under each of the 4 priority categories, go ahead and list those down below under tasks and block off how much time you think you need to spend or should be spending with each of those priorities. In the time block column, go ahead and put in the time blocks, and you'll need to notate whether it's something you'll do daily, weekly, monthly, or maybe if it's a vacation and that's a priority for you, maybe that's something you do annually, so put yearly under that, next to that one. And then give yourself the hours, whether it's 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, and list that next to it as well. After you've filled out all of your priority tasks and the time blocks, you'll want to create a sample schedule for yourself so that you can place your priorities into a schedule. I will be using a half sheet hourly layout from the Big Happy Planner for my sample schedule. I like to start off my day with journaling and gratitude, so those are part of my morning routine, along with my, in quote, power hour, which I don't always have a full hour to use, but I do take some time to work on my goal each day. If you have a job away from your home, you'll want to list in your commute, your work hours, your lunch hour, and any errands that you take time to do on your way home. Fitness is a priority for me, so I have that listed here to be the first thing I do when I get home, along with dinner and some family time. After working through the Power Plan Checklist, I have made more progress on all of those categories and on my one goal than I have in years and years. So this has really made a huge difference for me. I hope it does for you as well. If you have any questions about prioritizing or using the Power Plan checklist,
comment below or click the link in the description to plan with me to create a powerful plan for your life.
if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.